Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. This is the Changsuo small cable management box. So if you have like a place in your house where you charge a bunch of your different devices, we have one on our countertop where we usually charge our phones and stuff like that. So this can be a little bit, it can be a bit much with cords and everything like that. Can get all over the place. So instead of having just like a bunch of cords all tangled up on your desk, this is a nice little box here. Features this little bamboo top, and then we have the outlets here, 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 and here. So you can basically just put all your wires in there, and whether you want to put your phones in here with the wires and charge them, or just have the wires coming out and just have your phones there on top, or whatever you want to do. Just a nice little way to keep your counter space looking nice and clean and not all wires everywhere. So we'll go show you how to hook this up, what our countertop looked like before, and what it's going to look like after once we have this all set up. So let's go do that. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like before we had our stuff going in a basket here. Not too bad, but I think we could do better with this. So let's get to organizing. All right, well now here we have it. You can see got the cords all in here, just coming out of there. It's way more organized, looks a lot better, I think. Just instead of having this ugly things, wires everywhere, now we have it in here tucked away, as you can see. Quite a little rat's nest of cords going in there, but now it's all clean, sleek, and elegant looking. And anyways, thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.